Perfect. So, unfortunately the audio is buggered on the front, so we'll just do the rears here. Just pulling the pads out, give them all a bit of a refresh. Just give them a bit of a brake clean, get them all looking nice. Yeah, just sort of something along the lines of that. Perfect, we'll get these in here. Just run them through a little bit of sandpaper, get them up a bit. Cool. Fronts both done. And the rear here. So we'll whack them back in. Perfect. I'll just dab just a little bit of grease on the back of these, just to stop them squealing, just so they seat a little bit better. Okay, on the front.